5 full body home body weight exercises. Here's how to get a full body workout at home without equipment. First, push-ups. Good old-fashioned push-ups are an excellent way to strengthen your upper body. Second, crunches. Sit-ups can be harmful, but crunches done correctly help strengthen your core with little to no harm to your spine. Rotate your upper body as you switch from the right to the left each time for a fuller workout. Third, squats. This is one of the best exercises because it is one of the best calorie burners as well. It's also natural. Just watch a young toddler sit. Fourth, crab walk. This is a great complete body workout that hits a large number of the body's muscles. And fifth, jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are a great cardio workout as well as a light lower body workout. Do these regularly for a great at-home workout without any equipment needed. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.